Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'll be showing you how to make Jamaican cow foot the right way. Please stick around and watch this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already subscribed, like, share, and leave a comment down below. Please stay tuned and watch this video. Our ingredients are: we have about 2.5 pounds of cow foot. We have some nice looking cow foot, nicely washed. These cow foot look so good. We have ground ginger, soya sauce, 2 cloves of garlic, we have garlic powder, and we got some Jamaican dry rub all-purpose seasoning. I love this seasoning so much. And we also have some green seasoning, ground pepper, and this is what we're gonna use for our Jamaican cow foot. This is what we're gonna use for our Jamaican cow foot. First, we're gonna start by seasoning the meat. And this is about 3 tablespoons of dry rub seasoning. This is 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Garlic. I'm gonna use 1 teaspoon of ground pepper. We're gonna use our ginger or ground ginger. And now I'm gonna add the soya sauce. If you don't got soya sauce, you can also use browning if you don't got soya sauce. And now I'm gonna use 3 tablespoons of green seasoning. If you don't got your green seasoning, you can use escallion and thyme, Scotch bonnet pepper with some garlic. And now I'm just gonna massage this in, rub this into the meat. Just gonna rub this in like this. Don't be afraid to use your hands. And I'm just gonna let this marinate for about half an hour, 20 minutes, half an hour. Or you can go skip this process of letting it marinate and just cook it straight away. But I'm just gonna make this cook. Sit for half an hour. It's ready to cook. I took it out the fridge from where I was marinating it. So now I'm just gonna add some oil. About 2 tablespoons of oil and some ground pepper. Not some ground pepper, some pimento seed. I'm adding some pimento seed, and I'm also gonna add 1 clove of garlic. And I'm also gonna add 1 clove of garlic to the oil. Adding the 1 clove of garlic. And I'm using a pressure cooker because I'm gonna pressure this for at least 45 minutes. Because sometimes the cow foot is a little bit too tough. And you want something quick and fast to eat right now, right? I'm just gonna pour out the cow foot into the pot. Looking beautiful, look at this. And now, you see this? I'm just gonna pour some water inside and add it. And add it to the pot. So I'm adding 4 cups of water to the pressure pot for it to pressure. And I said you want to pressure this for at least 45 minutes. Depending on how tough your meat is. So I'm gonna leave this to pressure and come back. It's been 45 minutes, guys, since I've been pressuring this cow foot. And look at this, a beautiful color, guys. Look at the cow foot. It's almost done. So I'm just gonna add some more vegetables to it. I'm gonna add some vegetable to it to give it some flavor, some more flavor. I'm adding half of an onion. Adding the onions. Adding some fresh thyme also. Adding the green bell pepper. Adding a Scotch bonnet pepper also. And I'm gonna dice the tomatoes, fresh tomato from the garden. Yep, organic. Organic. Beautiful tomato. Adding some tomato. You can use ketchup if you don't have any tomato, but I like to use tomato or tomatoes, whatever you guys call it. And I'm just gonna add the butter beans. And I'm just gonna leave this to cook for 15 minutes to simmer down. Leave the vegetables to cook and the beans just to simmer down and add some flavor to the pot. As the meat is almost done from what I was pressuring it. See? When I insert a fork in it, it's soft and juicy. Just need 15 more minutes for the vegetables and the beans. Everything combined together and tastes delicious. Look at this beautiful color, man, and the flavor is kicking in the house. The place smelling so good, and this Scotch bonnet pepper is gonna give it lots of flavor. I tell you, when this is done, everybody's gonna lick their finger, hopefully. Alright, so I just gotta leave it to simmer for 15 minutes. Okay, this is it, guys, the finished product. Look at this, beautiful. This is smelling so great. Look at the color, beautiful color. They're still on the bone but still tender and juicy. Look at this. Wow, look at the color. Smelling so good. Oh good, look at this. Oh my god, I can't wait to eat it. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and do a taste test for you guys, because you know we always do a taste test after we cook. See, this meat is falling off the bone. Look at it, juicy. And my favorite part as a kid eating this was when my grandmother, our mama, used to make this, and you just have the sticky part just left by your mouth, and you just use the full lips them together. That was fun eating cow foot as a child. That was one of my childhood memory. So if you love cow foot, guys, please share this with somebody who will like cow foot. Subscribe and share and like this video. Look at this. Bye guys, thanks for watching. Bye.